Guess who?
It's Woody Woodpecker. Peter Pan Records proudly presents Woody Woodpecker and his wacky friends. Yes, it's our funny feathered friend Woody Woodpecker back again, and we're not the only ones who want to know what he's up to. Here into Woody's woodsy home there comes a bird watcher whose hobby is learning about birds. But she's about to learn a lesson she won't forget from Woody Woodpecker. It's a beautiful spring day. The birds are singing and the babbling brooks are babbling. Into this peaceful pastoral scene, enter our bird watcher.
Oh, bird watching is jolly fun. Something rare to see. The way a mother feeds her young in a nest in some tree. Oh, that skinhead bird I've often heard. He lacks class and culture. But at a glance is for romance with another female vulture.
She sees Woody and he sees her.
I see a woodpecker in the tree. That bird looks crafty and sly. By the look in his eye, I believe he's watching me. Peekaboo.
Woody comes for a closer look.
You are not to watch me. I'm a bird watcher, and I'm supposed to watch you. I want to watch the habits of a woodpecker. I got a lot of habits, and they're all bad.
He jumps on her head.
Don't do that. I said don't do that.
Woody is full of mischief and wags his tail over her eyes so she can't watch him. She pushes him away.
You're just a smart alecky woodpecker.
Well, you don't know anything about bird watching. I wash my hands of the whole thing.
Wait, woodpecker. If you do something, I promise to watch.
Okay, watch this.
He blinks fast.
What was that?
See, you weren't watching. If you're going to watch me, you'll have to watch closer.
He pulls her hat over her eyes.
I can't see a thing.
What you need is a special course in bird watching.
Woody brings her a chair.
Sit down. First on the program will be a woodpecking demonstration. Watch closely.
Woody flies to a tree and pecks right through it. It starts to fall toward the bird watcher.
Quick, move your chair to the left.
She moves where Woody tells her. The tree falls on top of her.
That was a close call. I almost missed her. Next on our bird watching course will be bird nesting. You gotta get a closer view. Up you go. Up, up, up.
He flies up to the branch of a tree where there are sharp thorns. Will he drop her on those? Is he that wicked?
I doed it.
You bet he is.
Yeah!
He saws through the branch she's on.
Rock-a-bye-me-me on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. Down will come me. Nest, egg, and all.
And down she falls.
Woodpecker, come back here. You just wait till I get my hands on you.
She chases after him. Round and round the trees they go. Woody disguises himself as a signpost and points down the road.
He went that way.
But she sees through it.
Don't you try to fool me, Woodpecker. You're the most exasperating bird I ever ran into. I'll teach you how to behave.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. You want to know about birds?
Naturally.
Well, to know about birds, you gotta act like a bird and think like a bird.
I do?
Certainly. I'll teach you how to fly. Put out your arms. Now flap them. And think bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Woody secretly ties balloons to her with a string. And up she goes.
Look at me. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm a bird.
Woody flies her up among the treetops. She flaps her arms and thinks she's doing the flying. After a while, Woody tires of the game and cuts the string.
What went wrong?
You need feathers.
Woody finds some sticky tar and paints it all over her. Then he takes feathers from his own tail and sticks them onto her until she's covered top to toe with them. Well, now she even looks like a bird. Suddenly, a real bird sees her and falls in love with her. Oh, not just any real bird, but a giant vulture. He zooms after her.
Don't you touch me, vulture! Go away from me! Help! Help! Put me down!
The vulture carries her off into the sky.
Well, she wanted to know about birds.